All right, this time of year I like to grill, chill. Thanks for coming over, checking out the new place, Chris.
Thanks for having me, man. This is quite a grill.
Yeah, cool. Speaking of new stuff, looks like you need a little more beer. Let's go check out this Kegerator.
Absolutely. Ooh, this is nice.
New outdoor KOMOS, and we're giving it away this month. Woo!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. As you can see, we have a pretty epic giveaway this month. But first, Vito, you had a pretty cool video come out last month. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so for the mashup, we did an episode about becoming going from home brewing to pro brewing. We did it at Sidegate Brewing with Kevin and Paul, amazing guys. They shared a ton of information from the financial side to the building outside to making the beer, the decisions, kind of all the stuff that goes into opening a brewery and running a brewery. Check it out.
Realized we had a real passion for brewing, for a decade before we even opened this place. How about we get this on paper and see if we could really pull this off? And then it kind of went from there.
As home brewers, we don't do our brewing inside, we do our brewing outside, we'd have friends come over, neighbors, anybody who's interested in learning how to do it, and we'd say, hey, come on through the side gate. I'm not gonna answer the doorbell, come through the side gate on the side, in the backyard.
We started with living the dream. Do you recommend this for somebody out there?
So we're gonna tell you all about this awesome Kegerator. But first, we had some winners from last month, so let's go over them. First winner of the Easy Dens is
Courtney M. from Washington.
Then the winner of the Smart Ref is
Tim W. from Illinois.
And lastly, we had 10 lucky membership winners of AHA 1-year memberships.
So check your emails to get the information if you were one of the winners, and we post them all on the Free Beer Friday page, so go check that out as well. All right, it's time for our summertime monthly giveaway.
This month, we are giving away the amazing stainless outdoor KOMOS Kegerator.
So yeah, I set this up today. Love this thing. All stainless interior and exterior, built for outdoor weather. It's all got duo-type fitting, so it went together super easy. Getting the tower, with the 3-tap was super easy and simple to get set up and everything. We're gonna go over a ton of content. Chris, what are we gonna go over?
Yep, so this month we'll go through some basics, how to tap a commercial keg, how to switch between homebrew and commercial kegs, and lastly, the best one is how to integrate this bad boy into any outdoor setting. Kegerators are awesome. You can build your own, that's awesome. You can buy our regular ones, they're awesome. But if you're thinking outdoor use or love the all stainless aesthetic, this is the guy for you. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
All right, so what do you guys think? Is this the ultimate summertime giveaway? Comment below, let us know what you would do with a Kegerator like this, and ask us any questions about this Kegerator.
We love those comments. And as a reminder, we'll be giving away more gift cards to commenters, but we also want to give them away from last month, so here are the lucky winners from last month. Thanks for watching. See you next month. Cheers.
Crystal malt.